Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1. We're still in lockdown. Yeah, the shop is still closed, but we've said that we were going to do some content for online and we were going to do some videos and things like that just to keep us occupied and going. The shop is still open, we're still taking orders, but we're not open as a physical shop, we're open as an online store at the moment. So anyhow, I wanted to talk today about one of my favourite little products. Now, it's not necessarily a DJ product or a pro audio product this, but it is one of our best sellers. And we sell loads of these because it's a great little item. This is the QTX CAD 2BT. It's a little 55 watt per channel, so 55 watts on the left, 55 watts on the right amplifier that has got so many uses, and we put it together with loads and loads of different kits. It's dead simple to use. We sell this a lot into offices, coffee shops, cafes, hairdressers, just anywhere where you want a bit of sound. Is it going to be super duper blow your mind sound? No. Is it going to be good enough to listen to the radio on? Yes. You can play music on it and you're going to be able to hear it in the background. Absolutely perfect. And we've got it where we've got it with some ceiling speakers, and I'm going to show you all this in a second. You can have ceiling speakers, you can have little corner speakers. We've even got some little outdoor speakers as well that will all run off this amplifier. So what I'm going to do is walk you through what the amplifier can do, and I'll show you all the bits and bobs that we can add to this to make a great little kit for your little sound project. So first, let's have a look at the amplifier. What's great about this is it's small, it's compact, it works on a proper IEC lead, so it just wires in, and on the back of here we've got our speaker terminals, and they're all just on push fits. So we've got left and right out, and then we've got, you can actually, it's got a little radio on this, and you can get a little aerial for it, just like put a cable in and add an aerial. And we've got some inputs as well. We've got two line level inputs coming around to the front. Right, we can select our line level, so we can select two of the line levels. There's an aux in on the front as well on a 3.5mm jack, and we've got a little media player, so you can plug a USB stick into this and it'll play MP3s, and there's an SD card on it as well, so you can place it, and you can select all these things by dialing this knob here. This is your master volume. Here's the crazy bits. On a little amplifier like this, we've got a bit of tone control as well, so we've got bass and we've got our treble. We've got some echo. Not that I think you would possibly use this to start doing singing or karaoke or things like that, but the echo is there should you want a bit of echo to put onto, yes, you're right, the microphones. We've got two microphones, so you can plug a microphone into this. So say you were using this in an industrial commercial setup and you needed to make announcements, you could via this just plug a microphone in the front and it'll work perfectly. And we've got a bit of tone control for the microphone, so that in itself is a great little unit. So versatile, small and compact, and it's got on it so many connections in such a little box. But what we can do is we sell it in different packages, and we do some packages where you could use a ceiling speaker. So let me tell you, this amplifier has got a left side and a right side, and it'll run down to 4 ohms. Now I don't want to make it over technical for you and starting to explain what ohmage is, but basically if you put one of these speakers on one side of this amplifier, it's going to be running at 8 ohms, which means we could wire another speaker in line with this, so we could come out the back of here into this and out of this into the next one, all on one side of the amp. That would let it run at 4 ohms. Now you can't just keep adding speakers on, so we can put 2 speakers on the left side of the amp and we can put 2 speakers on the right side of the amp. So we do a package that with ceiling speakers. This little ceiling speaker that we run with this, it's a great little item. Again, very simple, push fit terminals, so you'll be able to wire this up dead simply, and then you'll be able to link out of this one into the next one. Like I say, remember, only 2 speakers per side of the amplifier, so which means in total we're going to run 4 speakers. This particular little ceiling speaker that we do with it has got a little tweeter in the middle as well, and I don't know whether you're seeing that on the camera, but you can direct it. Yeah, you can move it around to get the best sound for you in your venue. Also, Amp comes with, the thought of everything, a little handy template, so when you're cutting out your ceiling holes, that is the right size hole you need to make to put your ceiling speaker in. Other things, right? We do some nice little speakers. These come in black and in white, and again you can run 4 of these speakers off this little amplifier. Again, nice and simple, push fits on the back. Incidentally, all our kits come with 100 meters of cable, so it'll work 100 meters of cable, and you can just use these out the back of here, then out to our second one, and then again the same process on the other side. What's really neat about these speakers is they do come in black or white, but they come with the speaker brackets as well, so you don't need any other bits. Yeah. We do several different speakers. When you go onto our website and type in the CAD amplifier into search, it will bring up a lot of different packages. This is a different speaker. Again, this is available in black and white. It's a slightly bigger model. Again, it comes with a bracket, so you can mount it on the wall, and again, simply push fits. This one is slightly different because there is some adjustment on the back, because this can be used with a 100 volt line amplifier as well. I won't go into what 100 volt line amplifier is, but this isn't a 100 volt line amplifier, and all you need to do is turn the little switch on the back here till it turns around to being set at 8 ohms, and they'll work perfectly. Like I said earlier, we do some packages where you get 4 speakers that can be used for outdoors. This is one of them here. So this is an outdoor speaker, again available in black and in white. Again, there's a switch on the back to switch it from 8 ohms through to 100 volt line, and you would only use this as an 8 ohm speaker. Now, what's the difference is, again, sorry, forgot to mention, it comes with a bracket, so we can put a bracket on the back. You will notice though that this has got a wire attached to it. Yeah, so we need to join this wire into your wire that you're going to use. So what we would advise, and that's because this is an outdoor speaker, we don't want any weather getting into this. So what you'll need to do is probably go to a hardware store and get some chock blocks. Get some chock blocks and chock block this into your length of wire, and then you would get what we call a snap box. Again, you'll get all these type of things at electrical hardware stores, B&Q and the likes, and you would put your chock block inside a snap box to keep it weather tight. So they work really well, and again you could use 2 speakers on one side of the amplifier and 2 speakers on the other side of the amplifier, and all you would do would daisy chain from here to the next one. These kits are so simple to use. This amplifier, I just sell them every day. Every day these amplifiers go out the door, be it with different packages. We've been so impressed with this little unit, it just works. Super duper hi-fi sound, this is not. Really practical, really simple to install yourself, little sound kit to listen to the radio in your barber shop or in your office or anywhere like that, or even just getting some music into your garden for your outside bar. The QTX CAD 2BT, oh, I forgot to mention, BT, it's Bluetooth as well. Yep, it's Mike at Phase 1, that was our bit of content today. If you want some more information on the products in this video, click the link that you'll find in the description to this video just underneath. If you like our video, give us a subscribe. We're always reviewing lighting and sound equipment. It's Mike at Phase 1. Cheers.